Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients and tools: a heavy 5 to 6 quart pot, a wooden spoon, a chef knife, and a thermometer. Start with 2 pounds of mixed beef and pork, finely ground. Season the meat lightly with 1 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Use 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil to sauté aromatics, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely diced, until translucent and fragrant. Add crushed 28 Oz tomatoes and 1 cup beef stock. Simmer covered to meld flavors. Heat the pot until hot, then brown the meat in batches to avoid steaming. Brown meat in batches for deep caramelization. Break up the meat and cook until no pink remains and you see rich brown bits. Remove excess fat, return all meat to the pot, and deglaze with 1 cup of dry red wine and reduce by half to concentrate flavor. Stir in tomato paste, oregano, and bay leaf, then add stock. Maintain a gentle simmer for at least 90 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste the sauce after the long simmer and balance acidity by finishing with 1/3 cup whole milk. This calms tomatoes and enriches texture. Adjust salt to taste, approximately 1 teaspoon per pound of meat as a starting point, and add 1/4 teaspoon freshly cracked black pepper if needed. Remove bay leaf and let rest off heat for 10 minutes. Serve over 12 ounces dry pasta cooked al dente, toss briefly to coat, and top each portion with 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.